Fruit flies are a huge pest in the fruit fields across the world. They lay their eggs inside the fruit, and these larvae then grow inside, eating it out and destroying the crops. There have been many attempts to control and eradicate these pests in the past, such as insecticides, sectioned off areas, and biological controls like wasps, ants, and beetles. The sterilization method has become increasingly effective, as it's not just a poison for the flies, but it deems the males and females sterile. Thus they will no longer hatch any eggs, cutting the population of the pests and reducing the damage greatly. The program of sterilization is becoming so effective in protecting crops because rather than just killing the flies, leaving them the chance to still lay more eggs before they die, and repeating over and over again, or introducing another new species into the area that could end up causing more destruction, the sterilization process allows for little involvement and little use. Once one generation of the flies has been sterilized, it will begin dramatically stopping the population growth, as little eggs will be laid from them. The sterilization process starts with getting the male flies, or lots of them, then subjecting them to ionizing radiation from either X-rays, UV waves, heavy ion beams, or gamma radiation. This ionizing radiation causes damages to the cells and makes them sterile. The sterile males are brought into an environment affected by the pests. They will then breed with the females, making them sterile. The sterile females will not be able to give birth, therefore dramatically cutting the population of the flies, reducing damage done to the crops. The male fly is subjected to around 250 grays of irradiation before being released back into the desired area. It's so critical to give the male flies the right amount of radiation, because if they have too much, it will kill the fly, and too little will have less effect and may not sterilize them, therefore they might still be able to breed. The sterilizations are conducted in laboratories and specialized areas where they are able to subject large amounts of the flies to radiation and not be in harm. This method is so much better for the environment because it involves little waste, clean-up, use, and doesn't introduce new species or poison, and does not harm the fruits or involve any chemicals that could go onto the fruits, potentially contaminating them.